So now we're ready to handle some more complicated inequalities because now we're able to actually graph more easily. So the example we'll look at here is just a typical inequality that you'll see, but we need to view it a little differently now. We don't want to view it as a mechanical process, which is what you might have thought of when you have seen when you've seen inequalities in the past. Right now, we want to view it as a more of a graphical, visual representation. So you'll hear me say this a lot. Inequalities always come with a question. The question in this particular example is, where is the graph? And when I say the graph, I mean the graph of this guy right here, above or on the x-axis. So where's the graph above or on the x-axis? So the graph is the parabola that I have in green underlined. The above or on comes from this guy right here. So bigger than or equal to, so above or on. And then finally, the x-axis comes in from the fact that we have a 0 on one side. So where's the graph above or on the x-axis? Now, I'm going to do a little bit more work here than's probably needed, but I want you to really understand that question and see what it is we're looking for. So if we look at the graph of y equals x minus 1/2 squared minus 9/4, the parent function there would be your y equals x squared, and it looks like it has a horizontal shift. We're going to go 1/2 units to the right, and we're also going to go 9/4 units down. Okay, so when I graph this now, originally I was at 0, 0. I go 1/2 unit to the right, and I go 9/4